like. Got you guys. For those who know me know I will never go turbo. And now that I got your attention, guys, my Patreon just launched right now as we speak. The link is in the description below. It's a way for us to stay connected and also to support the channel. Looking forward to building with you guys there. And now back to our scheduled programming. Yeah, that little gun puts in work.
Everybody get out of my way, I'm fucking recording.
Wireless? Just haven't been here for a while, sir.
Man, with the plan.
There should be no fluid now. Should be.
That was all drained up. Let's go back to you to that way.
Oh,
we're
right
hitting
here.
that.
I guess angle it.
So what we got going on right now, Craig?
Taking the training out. Wait.
Taking the training out, man. We're looking to get a new clutch in here.
It's stuck up there. Go back up. Go back up.
Right here, I think you're good now. Pull it towards you.
Yeah, the shifter is getting caught on the motor mount.
You're good on this side. You're cleared.
So we just pull.
The shifter.
Pull it on your side. Can you?
Alright.
Yeah, Craig, that was me and you, I'd be dead.
That's doing that on the floor though. That would
Yikes.
suck.
Yeah, you're chesting me.
We're here actually. You know, Craig, I have a friend who's using the clutch that you just said. The McLeod?
Yeah.
He's using the clutch set.
Alright. Oh, you say?
He said no issues on it. He said.
Huh.
He put on one car, his SI, and then he put on a TSX, I think. TSX.
Alright.
I was like, that's what's up. Bro, I'm over here ripping the box off. I'm over here ripping the box off. He's just like, bro.
For y'all information,
too late,
man.
man.
No, I had
Y'all ready?
That's how you put the flower, that's how you put a twin clutch on. Like most people would do that shit. Oh, I'm working with a wrench, that shit come loose in a fucking month. Yeah. You gotta put that shit on with a gun.
I've seen that happen all the time too.
You don't use the gun, make it spikes it in there.
I ain't doing that.
They're like, yo man, you gotta wait outside.
Yo, come back tomorrow.
Yeah, well your shit's done, man. You're annoying right now.
At that point, it's better.
That's why those pretty cars are annoying, man. Those people with those pretty cars. Oh, don't touch the engine bay. Don't get this dirty, yo. I mean,
Yeah, Craig got a hell of grease spots on my shit, Craig. Wiping my shit
yo, but
off.
you busted people's asses.
Go wait
though.
outside, my nigga.
Yeah, you taking all these wins. I don't even complain about that though. Bro, of course, this is fast, right? Yeah. What's different? They're talking about a racer against like a car show guy.
And young guys, when you put this twin disc on here, don't use this bullshit, man. Use an OEM main shaft.
OEM, man. OEM is the way to go.
Use an OEM main shaft right here. Can't go wrong. If you want it lined up properly.
Very smart.
Go see what the plastic did? See it's not going in? Don't use this bullshit. If they're all there, what my training ain't going in?
And then you gotta bring it to you anyways. After watching the video. Did you watch the video? I know you didn't.
Oh, what happened?
And make sure you like it.
I know you didn't like it. You didn't watch it. Because you're asking me this question.
See? Yeah, let's hold it in there.
It's your boy, the fastest man. I'll be right back. I'm about to go get my car.
If I could do this, and I could do this.
It's looking shaky.
No, man, I gotta put the hole in it. I gotta do this. There it is. Perfect. All right.
Guaranteed.
Oh, shit.
Guaranteed, man.
We on the way home. All right, Jesse. I got something for you to do real quick. All right?
Yep.
Yeah, ratchet. Yeah, this is the garden.
Good thing that was not the bolt.
No, that bolt
I was gonna say. We're good.
Took years
Somehow
of
Craig
abuse.
breaks all. Somehow Craig breaks all these tools, man. I've never broken a tool before. Somehow he's breaking them.
You ain't strong enough, little man.
You're too strong for the ratchet.
I wasn't putting that much pressure. I guess it was time
On this last.
on this last leg.
Look at the recording form.
All right, we're golden.
Steady hands, bro.
All right.
Life of a race, man. Check me out. Like, comment, subscribe, man.
You do good though, bro.
Go
You
check me
definitely
out
watch
on
your
Instagram, man. CPR_CW. Check the hashtag CProblemRacing.
If you want some good body, call me.
And if you got want some good cocky, call me number.
Call me. You know, stop till my body drop.
Yeah, man.
Damn, Jesse. Hitting them gears too hard, bro. Hitting them corner too hard, Poppy.
Damn. That means I have to make less horsepower? Fix it. Making too much, man.
Typical wear and tear.
Yeah, I'll. Yeah, man. See, it's won't trust people, bro. It was better to ask Craig.
Hey, man, if you want some good protein, man, go check Rhythm and Spice. Get your peanut punch. It's sweet your belly.
You said a 13? 12?
Yes, sire. Yes, sire. The punch. There we go. Oh, peanut punch.
With an Irish Master.
That green card I was out here killing that VQ.
Yeah, man.
Ah, yeah, you quit, boy.
That's right, bro. It's all motor, bro. Something simple.
You talking about the Central?
Yeah, my
Wait,
boy
you
Young
also
Dick.
have a VQ?
Huh?
You the one that hit him up too?
Nah, my boy Clint is the one with the black
Try to
bubble.
swap in the springs.
That's his coupe
Just
right
this,
there,
right?
Yeah.
Alright,
Put the spring back in. Yeah, put the black spring in.
Gotcha.
But he was telling me how Green EK was fucking my boy Jason up and shit.
Give him the sauce.
Not like that, bro.
Yeah, I heard it was a
I
tight
didn't-
run, but still.
You know, some people like to say it like that, but
Yeah.
I usually try to keep it cool, you know? I don't want to. Now we cool though. I'm cool with that kid. His car's fast though. That little
Yeah.
VQ is not slow.
Once he do some,
Some old jacks.
he's still on the stock motor though. You need to do the fucking cams.
That is true though.
Once he do the cams,
It's his weight too though. If he lightens it more, probably be a problem.
yeah, that's
Get out my face. I'm really outside. I'm outside. Hold on, let me get the right there.
Oh, hey.
Record, dog.
This practice.
Life of a racer.
Yeah.
Going up on an angle. Get them back down.
you can't do this type of stuff with the like, I gotta put front ends off, do all that goofy shit.
So tough.
Stop the subframes and shit. Now this with V series is easy.
Try to get wait, man. It's gonna twist it. Gotcha. These big ass fucking mounts here. Twist it this way.
My arms are sore looking at this.
This is. There it is. Push and yep, I'm holding it.
10 minutes later.
Let go, Craig? Yeah. Alright, no one's gonna die.
You might, but
He's like, yeah, you're good. Good.
The old clutch setup?
yeah.
Big boy clutch, man.
Hyper single.
Yeah. Say it again. Say it again,
That
Kurt.
tiny breaker. Ah, I see.
How does he ship that?
Race car.